Are you tired? Have you lost it all? Are you tired of pretending like you have it all together, when you and I both know what's happening between the covers? I did my best, I chose to stay, I chose to love you anyways. I'm a woman who God's loved, but I have a purpose to shine. Whether you wanna come with me or not, that's up to you. What's it gonna